Fix it step by step. National 1. Check if your system supports UEFI. Image 1. Press Windows R. 2. Type msinfo32. 3. Look for BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, good. If it says legacy, you must convert next step. 2. Convert legacy BIOS UEFI if needed. Important, back up your data before this. Steps 1. Open command prompt as admin. 2. Run. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Restart. Enter BIOS. Have 3. Enable secure boot in BIOS image 1. Restart your PC. 2. Press Dell F2, F10, depends on your motherboard. 3. Find boot mode, UEFI, CSM disabled, secure boot enabled. 4. Save and exit, usually F10. 4. Check if secure boot is on image. Go back to msinfo32 and confirm. Secure boot state equals on. Common problems and fixes. Secure boot option grayed out, set BIOS mode to UEFI, disable CSM, set secure boot mode to standard. Still getting error? Reinstall Riot Vanguard, restart PC after reinstall TPM issue Windows 11 users, enable TPM, FTPM, PTT in BIOS. Quick summary, Vanguard requires UEFI plus secure boot, convert from legacy if needed, enable secure boot in BIOS, verify using msinfo32.